Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to utilize the blur effect on CapCut. So initially what you're going to want to do is go up to Media, click and drag your clip to the timeline. It's going to look like this. And then we're going to go up to Effects, Video Effects, Nightclub, scroll down to find the blur effect. We're going to click and drag it down to the timeline. And now what we're going to do is either place it anywhere we want on the timeline. For example, let's say this is where my sister tries to catch the phone, and we're going to blur that point out, and we can make this effect shorter as well. And then go up to the special effects tab with the effect selected and mess with the strength of the blur and the range of the blur as well. You guys can play around with this. So let's check it out. And that's the blur effect in Nightclub. Guys, thank you guys for watching. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Again, thanks for watching and have a great day.